Good day, Nigeria and beyond. Welcome to Update People TV, your number one plug for updates with spice, gist with context, and news that actually keeps you thinking. Okay, now let's head to Rivers State, where the gist no dey small at all. So according to the Punch News, Ibas Ete reportedly refuses to be audited. Says Rivers House of Assembly lacks the power to investigate how he spent a whopping 297 billion naira allocation in just 6 months. Reports say Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ekwebas, who acted as sole administrator during the emergency rule, may have, well, let's just say helped himself generously. From billion naira contracts fully paid in advance to spraying naira and dollars at government house on the eve of his exit, Rivers people are asking, how much really left their treasury? Just 6 months of one-man rule, 1.4 trillion naira budget, 200 plus billion naira cash reserves. And now workers, they protest unpaid entitlements.
Do again. Waiting. Do again. Which kind of thing be this one? For 6 months. Hard labor, suffering for waiting.
The big question for Governor Fubara is very simple. What did Ibas actually leave behind? If he doesn't order a forensic audit, Rivers people might just believe government house is a free ATM. Meanwhile, federal gist, they come. Federal government says 71 million Nigerians have received 25,000 naira cash transfers. Some even collected 2, some 3 times. And me, I never see shishio. My people, have you received yours as a Nigerian? Jump in the comments and let me know.
And of course, we know, and I reported that in terms of the direct benefit and direct help to the general public, of course, there was wage award at first, now there's the new minimum wage. There is direct transfers to the people on the social register that has been put together by all levels of government and is being verified. And so people are paid after they have been uniquely identified biometrically, and they are paid digitally through a bank account or mobile wallet. And those payments have been rolled out. We have reached 5 million households, 25 million Nigerians, and first and second payments are being made. And that process of having a robust social register where you can reach people directly and help them with payments that allow them to now choose what their priority is and go and then deal with that priority.
Okay, it's right about time. Let's celebrate brilliance. Two Nigerian brothers, Maxwell Maduka and Nathan Nwachukwu, have built Africa's biggest drone factory right in Abuja. Their company, Terra, is producing 30,000 drones yearly and wants to hit 100,000 by 2030. From agriculture to defense, the innovation is 100% made in Nigeria. But tell me, why can't the Nigerian army buy from them to fight terrorism? Abi, imported drones sweet past homegrown drones.
In this factory on the outskirts of Abuja, an emerging industry is busy securing some of Africa's critical infrastructure. Terra Industries, co-founded by 23-year-old Maxwell Maduka and 22-year-old Nathan Nwachukwu, is building autonomous security systems powered by artificial intelligence and drones.
I've always been thinking, what is the best way to truly help industrialize Africa? And I've always believed that it comes down to the big three: security, energy, and food production. We wanted to begin with what I think is the common denominator holding the continent back. So we began building out autonomous systems to solve the security crisis in Africa.
This factory has the capacity to build 30,000 drones per year. Terra also says that it exports to 8 African countries, protecting critical infrastructure from gold mines to power plants.
Most of the key components are built in-house. From the airframes to propellers, the lithium-ion battery packs are all manufactured in-house. That has helped us keep costs really, really low. It's easy for us to scale manufacturing without cutting costs. Terra today has actually raised only less than $600,000. And within that short span, within the 11 months we've been operating, we are currently at $1.9 million in revenue. We have $11 billion worth of assets under our protection today. For us, the key thing is in a few years' time, we eventually want to have $1 trillion worth of assets under protection, which would essentially encompass all of the power, mining, and oil assets in Africa.
Okay, then let's go global. Oh yes, away from all of the Nigeria wahala. So, in Cameroon, President Paul Biya, age 92, is seeking an 8th term. But wait, his own daughter, Brenda Biya, is saying, please do not vote for my father. 8th term, Hehe. Now, wow. Imagine if Nigeria allowed that. Some people go still dey power today. And this reminds me of Obasanjo's viral words. If I wanted a 3rd term, I would have gotten it. Omo, history is sweet, shao.
There are still some stupid Nigerians who still believe that I wanted a 3rd term. I think I'm not a fool. If I wanted a 3rd term, I know how to go about it. And there's no Nigerian dead or alive that will say I told him I wanted a 3rd term. None. And I keep telling them that, look, if I wanted to get debt relief, which is more difficult than getting a 3rd term, and I got it, if I wanted a 3rd term, I would have got it. But some people believe that unless they are there, nobody else. They will even tell you that they haven't got anybody else.
Back home, Enugu State is buzzing. Governor Peter Amba says coal will no longer be treated as stranded assets. Instead, it will generate 1,000 megawatts of power. He also revealed Enugu Air will get 6 new planes before the year runs out. Crime rate is down 80% and tourism is booming with the ICC and of course a planned Cross of Hope monument. Investors are calling Enugu a state on the move. Do you agree? And it looks like Mba is really making his case loud and clear. And to wrap all of this up, sports gist. Aba is actually on fire as Eimba FC defeated Bendel Insurance to 3-2. Governor Alex Otti was live at the stadium cheering the People's Elephant as he scored a whooping and a stunning winning goal. Abba, you sabi footballer beg. And that's the package for today. From Rivers to Enugu, Abuja drones to Cameroon's father-daughter drama and Abbas football fever. You've been here with Update People TV, where news meets gist. And gist, of course, meets you. Stay tuned and stay updated.